44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah. On the road. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy Hemi like 44, back with another banger, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up all 2021. Before they leave, I just want y'all to check this car out, man. I showed y'all the car before because I was driving the car, and today, as y'all see, the second car, I was telling y'all he got a Hellcat as well. This is the Hellcat right here. You understand me? Which I'm about to drive it. But before we get into that, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the family channel, MB Hustle. Also, go to Hemilife44.com and get your merch. But let's get right into this video. So I want to introduce my guy. Y'all know him by Car Guy Court. You know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel. Y'all heard me talk about him in my previous video. But this is him right here, man.
What's up, 44 gang? Car Guy Court here on all platforms. Go check out the Instagram and, you know, subscribe to the channel. We got some car content, some family content. And, you know, I met my dude here in Texas, and I've been watching him for some time, and it was just kind of, you know, we just kind of like, I said, hey, come to Phoenix. I figured he'd hit me up in a month or so, and they were like, hey, let's get out of Texas. Yeah. So they came down here, and I was like, hey, man, I don't want you guys to have to drive some rental. You got Hemis, both of you. Right. So I was like, here, drive the Scatty. Yeah. So, you know, I wanted him to get a perspective of that, and it's B5 blue just like his, so at least he can feel a little bit at home. Yeah. But yes, sir. Now I'm going to let him drive my 2020 Widebody Hellcat. I just got the sprint booster installed for the pedal. I know you do like pedal box or something like that, right?
Speaking of that, yeah. Speaking of that, they know, y'all know me, y'all know I'm pedal box equipped right here in this bag. Yeah. I keep a pedal box on me, man. So,
you know, it is what it is. Jeremy has a sponsorship or something with Sprint Booster. He actually gave it to me for free and installed it. You've seen that video. So, you know, he showed me some love and said, here you go. Yeah. And, but yeah, I just want him to check it out. Okay. I know you drove Mozzie's.
Yeah, I did. I actually want to see the difference between the pedal box and the Sprint Booster. Yeah. I've heard about the Sprint Booster, but I haven't never drove one. But y'all know me, I'm a pedal box person. Yeah. I don't think it's, I mean, from what I heard, from the one person that I know that has a Sprint Booster, that's the only person that I've heard talk about it other than him and Jeremy now. I heard it was an okay product. Now,
it's all I've ever used, so it seems good, but I'm sure I love the pedal box,
man, too. And that's what I was just about to say, because I got to say that I don't believe it's better than pedal box. I don't believe it's nothing better than pedal box, honestly. Like,
I've heard that.
Yeah, but that pedal box is another level, man. Yeah. It really is. But I'm going I want to see what the Sprint Booster is like too, especially on this Hellcat. You know what I mean? So we're gonna check that out, man. But I'm gonna walk around and show y'all the car so y'all can see this wide body thing, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see my guy over there, man. He's shooting his intro, man. I'm gonna let him shoot his intro, showing y'all this wide body thing, man. We finna drive this thing, man. Do I want me a wide body? You know, they don't make these in 2021. If you didn't know that, they don't make wide body Hellcats in 2021. They make wide body red eyes. They don't make the Hellcat. So if you want you a new Hellcat in 2021, you have to order you a red eye. It can't be one of these because they don't make them. It's like, what's the purpose of making this and then making a red eye in 2021? If you pretty much got the money to afford a Hellcat, then you pretty much got the money to afford a red eye. You know what I mean? So if you walking into a dealership to buy an $80,000 car, you should be able to buy a $100,000 car. You know what I mean? That mean if not, that mean you living above your means. So that's kind of like a budget tactic. You know what I'm saying? That Dodge, I ain't gonna say that's what Dodge is doing, but that's a good idea though. That'll help you. You know what I'm saying? So if you can afford to buy an $80,000 car, you should be able to afford to buy a $100,000 car. if you can only afford to buy an $80,000 car, and that's what you know what I'm saying? Like that's what you trying to get, and that's like pushing it. But you can afford. Like it's kind of like I can afford it, but should I? If you thinking should you, don't do it. If you go buy this $80,000 car, you should be able to buy a $100,000 car if you want to. If not, then you're trying to live above your means and just, you know what I'm saying? Wait. Everything happens at its time, man. So I was telling them how Dodge don't make it's levels. I was telling them how Dodge don't make these in 2021. They just make the red eye. Yeah. And it's pretty much like if you can afford this, you should be able to get a red eye. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. So. And
I was going to get a red eye because I was right on the cusp. I could have ordered a red eye and waited longer or got this. But I was like, screw it. You know, like I'm just going to, I'll do the pulleys and
You're right. That's how you got to do.
But I just wanted it sooner, and I actually like this hood. Like,
do you?
I like the hood. The red eye's got the little rectangles up there.
Yeah, I actually like the red eye.
On me, and I like that.
Yeah.
But I've always liked this. Like I was gonna get one of these hoods on my Scat Pack.
Right. I actually like the I like the red eye hood. Maybe because it's just something different that I haven't seen. It's like these hoods been around since 2015. Well, y'all can see, man, we in the Hellcat, the Widebody Hellcat. And don't let me just say Hellcat. But I didn't really get to do that many pulls of who was talking, which is not a bad thing. You know what I mean? That's conversation was good, so you know what I'm saying. I really did. I'm gonna say I seen that car.
Yeah.
I forgot I'm not in Dallas. There's a car in Dallas like that.
Yeah, they do a lot of those similar.
Yeah. Those cars are bad. They get me every time, man.
Yeah.
They get me every time.
Yeah, it's cool.
So do you ever play with your pedal system?
Yeah, I use them a lot, yeah.
A lot of people, some people don't know how to use them.
No, I love them.
Yeah, I ain't ever just use them in a Hellcat like that.
Yeah, you just use them. That's what they're there for. That's crazy.
And then they laughing. And then what's crazy is in the passenger seat, you feel it a whole lot worse.
Oh yeah.
In the driver's seat.
You go down to Cactus. Yeah, I know. I tell people, you shift it, bam, done.
Yeah, I like that. Every time I drive a Hellcat, man, it's like I gotta get me a Hellcat.
Yeah, it got real bad. Like I loved my Scat, and I still do, but it got real bad when I started hanging out with Jeremy from the Life of Jeremy Barrett, guys. I'll check out his channel. He has a Hellcat, you know, the Buddy Cat, so we'd always be driving places and I'd be in his Hellcat and like he'd let me drive or whatever, and I'd just be like, dude, I gotta get one of these, and that was my motivation, you know. But it's definitely, you know, it's not a small decision, and you know, once you get to that level and you're able to do so, it's an accomplishment. You know, it was for me.
Yeah, it is. You gotta think it was crazy how the Mopar came in. They done literally like took over.
Yeah.
It's like a Hellcat is people's dream car now.
Yep.
It's not a Lambo no more. It's not a McLaren.
Yeah.
The Hellcat is people's dream car.
Yeah, you can sit in this comfortably. You know, you're not all scrouched and like can't carry your luggage. Like you know, it's crazy.
Yeah, they got all that horsepower. That's amazing. That's amazing. Do I keep straight?
No, you take a left. Just stay in this lane, take a left.
Yeah, man, I gotta get me a Hellcat, man. I got to. I want one. I'm really thinking about the little giveaway on my car.
Yeah.
I'm really thinking about doing that. I know I've been thinking about it heavy lately. You know what I mean? Which I had thought about this. I thought about this a long time ago.
Yeah.
But I was too scared to do it because you know when you're doing stuff like that, you gotta be able to you don't know how many people gonna buy tickets. And if you owe, or you don't know how many people gonna enter. And if you owe a certain amount on that car, if you don't get that certain amount, you in trouble.
Yeah.
You in trouble.
Yeah.
So because you still got to get his winner that car, but you got to find a way to pay that car off.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
And that's what's scary about it. So you gotta know that you gonna get that, you know what I mean? Or you just gotta take that risk. And I was scared to do it for so long until I knew somebody that did it, which was Josh Laurent.
Yeah.
Josh Laurent did it. I actually talked to him about it, and I think I'm gonna do it, man.
I mean, you'd be surprised. You just gotta make it like, you know, so many entries,
and that's what
then, you know, just to make sure you're covered.
Right.
It ain't about making money, you know. It's just about, you know, getting what the value of the vehicle actually is, and then, you know, giving someone their dream car, basically.
Yeah, that's why I said I'm gonna do it, because I'm thinking I'm just gonna, like you said, just put a certain amount of entries for a certain amount. Maybe make the ticket a certain amount, or make the entries a certain amount, and give a certain amount. That way, and like I told Hemiwife, I'm just not gonna do the giveaway until I sell out. Pretty much.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
yeah, you have to.
Yeah, I gotta make sure I'm covered, or else it's a good chance you might not end up getting that car. Yeah. You want to make sure that I got my end taken care of.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So 44 gang, man. As y'all can see, I am out the Hellcat right now. The dude just passed by laughing. They probably not used to people doing YouTube. I don't know. It's hey, when you start doing YouTube, this is something you gotta get used to. People gonna walk by you laughing at you. They gonna like, man, what is he doing? Like you gotta look past all that. You know what I mean? Yep. So you can't worry about what people saying, what they thinking, and all that. People gonna have some stuff to say when you walking around talking to a camera. You know what I'm saying? So, but it's a new. I mean, YouTube is starting to really grow. So people know when they see you doing this, they know what you're doing now. Yeah. But before it was like, man, this dude tripping. What he doing? But yeah, but now it's all good. But yeah, so I drove the Hellcat, man, and y'all know, I tell you all the time, I gotta get me a Hellcat. I loved it. That's a 2020, right? 2020, man. I loved it. I gotta get me one. I ain't really just get down on it. I wanted to get down on it because y'all know I don't drive other people's cars like that. That's like he let me drive this car. He let me keep his wife's Scat. This is his wife's Scat right here. He let me keep that car today and tomorrow till we leave. The whole time we down here, and I don't think I've went over 75 in that car yet. Like literally, I ain't went past 75. So I don't drive other people's cars like that, man. It's just something I just don't do. Yeah,
you know, it's just I feel a lot of similarities.
Yeah.
Like I said, real recognize real.
Right.
I wouldn't have given them to you if I thought that. You know what I mean? I know you're responsible dude. You're out here doing your thing. Right. It's all love.
Yeah, man. I just can't even with him in the car. Like I've had people tell me, step on it, man. You gotta pretty much tell me to flow that car before I do it. You know what I mean? If you tell me, oh, I'm gonna do it then. But I'm not gonna willingly do that. You know what I mean? But all in all, man, I loved it. I love the Hellcat, man. Y'all stay tuned. It is a Hellcat coming to the channel soon. Y'all just gotta stay tuned and wait on it. But one more time, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my guy channel, man. Because he showed nothing but love when we came out here. And you know what I'm saying? Still showing love. We got more content tomorrow that we trying to get. You know what I mean? And as y'all can see, him and his wife, they been sitting in the car talking. They been together the whole time we've been gone. And they still sitting in the car talking. So, man, it's all love down here, man. We definitely coming back. But before y'all click off this video, or right after you click off this video, I want y'all to go straight to his channel, man, and subscribe to his channel, Car Guy Court, man. You want to shout it out, spell it for one more time?
Car Guy Court. It's just all one word, CarGuyCourt. Car Guy Court. I'm in the car business, and my last name's Courtney, so that's where it comes from in case people wonder and ask. But it's the same on all platforms. Check it out. I think you'll enjoy the content, and I know for sure that I'm gonna have a lot more content with my guy here in the future, because I'm gonna go see him down in Dallas too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, man, yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all do that. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel if you hadn't already. Like this video. You understand me? Like I tell y'all all the time, hit that like button. It's free. Just hit it, man. Don't hit it twice though, because if you hit it twice, it's gonna take your like away. So just hit it one time. You understand me? But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Y'all know how I end all my videos. In the meantime, in between time to this video, holla at your boy. I'm out. Yes, sir.